Hello, I'm Summer from Happy Family Fireworks. I have been working here for 10 years and I would like to introduce one item from us every day. Today I would like to introduce one 200 gram from our Happy Family line. The name is Tiger Lily. Actually, this is a 12 shots item. And the effect is really very special. It's the all the cake with one effect is the golden shining blooming, and they will have 3 shots go together as a small finale. It's really very special item, so I would like to show you the item and the design, and then we'll show you the effects. Hope you will like it because I really like this item, and see you. See, this is the item from our Happy Family line, and the name is Tiger Lily, and here is 200 gram, 12 shots. And actually this is the name from one of our friend, John. He made this name and helped with this design of the picture. I think it's very, the design is really match the effects of this item. You will see we have the QR code here, and here's the performance gold tail to gold shining effects. Hope you will like it. Tiger Lily from Happy Family line.